Hello everyone, you are welcome to Satya and Srishti classes. Today we are going to discuss some objective type questions of chapter 14 of class 6 science, that is water. Your first question is, which of the following activities does not involve use of water? Option given are washing clothes, bathing, cleaning utensils, drying wet clothes. वॉशिंग क्लॉथेस, बाथिंग, क्लीनिंग यूटेंसिल्स, ये सब में तो वाटर का यूज होता ही है. सो योर राइट आंसर इज डी, दैट इज ड्राइंग वेट क्लॉथेस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ट्रांसपिरेशन इज ए प्रोसेस इन व्हिच प्लांट्स रिसीव वाटर फ्रॉम सॉइल, एब्जॉर्ब वाटर वेपर फ्रॉम एयर, प्रिपेयर फूड फ्रॉम वाटर, रिलीज वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर वेपर. Transpiration is a process in which plants release water in the form of water vapor. So, option D is your right answer. Next question. Catch water where it falls is the basic idea behind recycling of water, making dams to store water, rainwater harvesting, condensation of water vapor. It is rainwater harvesting. Option C is correct. Next question number 4. Which of the following is not related to drought? इसमें से कौन सा जो ऑप्शन दिया गया है कौन सा रिलेटेड नहीं है ड्रॉट से? नो रेन, ये तो ड्रॉट, नो रेन नहीं होने के वजह से ही ड्रॉट होता है, तो ये तो रिलेटेड है. शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड एंड फोडर, ये भी तो रिलेटेड है. देन मेल्टिंग ऑफ माउंटेन स्नो, फॉलिंग ऑफ द वाटर टेबल तो फॉल होता ही है. सो योर राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज मेल्टिंग ऑफ माउंटेन स्नो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू फ्लड? यानी कि बाढ़ से रिलेटेड नहीं है. डैमेज टू लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी, इरोशन ऑफ सॉइल, लॉस ऑफ एक्वाटिक लाइफ, फॉलिंग ऑफ द वाटर टेबल. Not related to floods, that is option D, your falling of the water table. Yes. Your next question is, at some places water coming from the underground contains a lot of dissolved minerals and is called underground water, spring, natural water, none of these. It is called as spring. Option B. Next, question number 7. Water cycle means carrying of water using bicycles, carrying of sea water to land by rivers etc., carrying of tap water to our homes, circulation of water between ocean and land. That is, water cycle is circulation of water between ocean and land. Option D is correct. Next, the water vapors that are formed by evaporation of sea water consist of pure water, contain dissolved salts in it, both the above, none of these. ये क्या होगा? It is option A is correct, that is the water vapors that are formed by evaporation of sea water consist of pure water because salts are left behind in evaporation. So it is option A. Next question, question number 9. Evaporation involves change of solid to vapor, change of liquid to vapor, change of solid to liquid, change of vapor to liquid. Evaporation is change of liquid to vapor. So option B is right. Next, question number 10. वाटर साइकिल कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज, इधर एक सीमेटिक डायग्राम दिया गया है. ओशन वाटर कन्वर्टेड टू वाटर वेपर, देन वाटर वेपर फॉर्म्स क्लाउड्स, देन क्लाउड्स इट कंडेंस एंड फॉर्म एज रेन, अगेन रेन से ओशन वाटर हो जाता है. तो इसमें जो स्टेप दिया गया है ओशन वाटर, द क्वेश्चन इसमें क्या पूछा गया है? द प्रोसेस दैट अकर्स इन स्टेप ए इज कॉल्ड, that means ocean water converted to water vapor. That process is known as what? That is your evaporation. Yes, so option A is correct. Next, question number 11. Water vapors enter the air or atmosphere by which of the following process? Evaporation of ocean water, transpiration occurring in plants, by evaporation of sweat of animals, all of the above. Correct answer is D, that is all of the above. Next, question number 12. Aquatic plants take in oxygen from air in the atmosphere, dissolved air in water, do not need oxygen, none of these. Aquatic plant takes in oxygen from dissolved air that is present in water. So option B is correct. Next question. Water table refers to level of surface water, level of sea water, level of groundwater, none of these. Water table is level of groundwater. Yes. Next, question number 14. Purest form of natural water is sea water, groundwater, rainwater or surface water. Purest form is our rainwater. Clouds are water vapor as such. Water vapors condense to tiny droplets of water and dust particles, all of the above. Clouds are water vapors condense to tiny droplets of water. Option B is correct. Next, question number 16. The process of condensation is the reverse of evaporation, transpiration, freezing, sublimation. The process of condensation is the reverse of evaporation. Option A is correct, because evaporation is changing of water into water vapor, whereas changing of water vapor into liquid water on cooling is condensation. Okay. Next, question number 17. Some water in a plate is placed near a window. After some time the water disappears. This is because water has turned into dew, vapor, solution or steam. The water has turned into vapor. Option B. Next question. Rainwater harvesting refers to a method of collecting rainwater for our immediate daily use, a method of conservation of rains, collecting rainwater for later use, none of these. Rainwater harvesting refers to collecting rainwater for later use, that is option C. Next. Why is water scarcity increasing day by day? Water cycle has stopped functioning. The total amount of water on earth has decreased. The consumption of water has increased. There is an increasing frequency of floods. क्यों पानी की कमी दिनों दिन बढ़ते जा रहा है? Your right answer is option C, that is the consumption of water has increased. Next, that is your last question. The process by which rainwater changes into snow is called melting, evaporation, condensation or freezing. This process is freezing. Option D is your right answer. Okay, thank you.